Hey guys, it's Molina. Happy Tuesday. I hope things are going better for you than they were last week and that you are enjoying online learning. So with that being said, I made some changes to our Google Classroom. When you log in now, the only thing that will show up on our stream will be the announcements, like the videos I'm making on here today and the directions to your assignments. You'll have to go to classwork, which is where I want you to go, and I have put everything in topics. That's the only thing that was changed. I have also added a new topic for Number the Stars, which is the novel that we'll be starting today. Your assignments are going to be under Number the Stars or Figurative Language now only. So for today, you'll click on Number the Stars, and you'll see that I have also given instructions there. You have a metaphor practice, which I want you to do first after you review your metaphor notes. I also want you to read chapter 1. The metaphor practice you do not have to turn in. It is practice, and I will be going over the answers tomorrow. Make sure that you have whatever it is that you need, or if you have questions. After you get done with the metaphor practice, I want you to read chapter 1. Now, when I say I want you to read chapter 1, I actually want you to click open chapter 1, which is a hard copy of our chapter 1. But I also, if you feel like, oh my goodness, I don't want to read all of this, I have recorded myself reading chapter 1, which is this video right here. I would love for you to open up to chapter 1, and you can open up the video, and you can follow along as I read to you, and you can pretend like I'm right there in your kitchen or your living room reading to you like I usually do in the classroom. I will pick different chapters throughout the novel to read to you. It'll probably be the little bit longer one, so you don't have to read it. And then that way you have more time to work on the assignments. You won't have an assignment today for the novel, but you will have an assignment tomorrow that will cover chapters 1 and 2. As always, if you have any questions, shoot me an email, make a comment under the assignment, invite me on a Google Hangout, whatever questions you may have, please reach out to me. I miss seeing all of you guys, and I hope you are adapting to your new normal. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye!